Welcome to this CommunicatorGO training session. The chat module is available on desktop, web, and mobile, and it gives you a consistent experience across all devices. Your entire chat history is stored securely on the server, so no matter where you log in, your conversations will always sync automatically. This means you can start a conversation on your computer, continue it later on your mobile app, and then pick it back up on the web without losing anything. Section 1. Sync and Availability. To begin a chat, click the chat icon from the main window. You can also hover over a user in grid view and click the chat icon, or right-click on a user and select chat. Double-clicking a user will also open a chat, depending on your settings. If you want to start a group chat, select multiple users by holding down Shift to select users from the beginning of your user list to the user last clicked, or by holding Control and clicking each user to add to the chat, then right-click and choose Group Chat. You can also use the search bar in the chat module to quickly find someone and start a conversation. When the chat module is open, your conversations appear in a list on the left, and the active conversation appears on the right. At the top right of the chat window, you'll see a blue bar with several action buttons. You can create a new group by clicking the New Group button, or click the three-dot menu and create a group from there. You can also close all chats, reopen closed chats, or resync your entire chat history. There is also an Options button that opens your chat settings inside Preferences. Section 2. Group Chats. When you create a group chat, you automatically become the group administrator. You can choose between two types of groups. A standard group hides previous messages from new members, while a shared group allows new participants to see the full chat history. Group names are optional and can be changed at any time. Groups are persistent, so they remain available even if you log out or close the app. You can create multiple groups with the same members if needed, and you can also start a group chat directly from an existing one-on-one conversation or from a conference call. To add members to a group chat, click the checkbox next to all departments to add everyone to the chat or select each member individually. Once you've selected your members, click the Create button. Section 3. Chat Header and Info Drawer. At the top left of the chat window, you'll see the conversation header. This displays the user or group name, their present status, and in group chats, the number of participants. You'll also see action buttons here. You can start a call, search messages within the conversation, ask for attention, schedule a meeting, add users, or view conversation details. Clicking the Info button opens the info drawer. In a one-on-one chat, the drawer shows the other person's presence, lets you add users to create a group, and gives you options to view shared files or delete the conversation. In a group chat, the drawer shows the group name, type, and list of participants. As the administrator, you can add or remove participants, change the group name or icon, and even assign a new administrator. You can also mute a group, leave a group, or transform it into a shared history group. Section 4. Files and Mentions. Every chat allows you to send and manage files. Clicking Show Files opens a file viewer where you can search, open, or download any files shared in that conversation. Upload and download progress indicators let you see the status of each file. In group chats, you can also mention someone to get their attention. Type the @ symbol, then select a user from the list, or start typing their name. Once selected, their name will appear highlighted in blue. Even if they muted the group, a mention will still notify them. Section 5. Search, Chat History, Conversation List, and Management. The chat module includes a powerful search bar just below the Create Group and Options buttons. You can search across contacts, conversations, or specific messages. Results are separated into two categories: contacts and chats, and individual messages. Clicking a result will take you directly to that chat. Scroll to the right place and highlight your search term. Search is case-insensitive and supports multiple words. You can also use quotation marks to search for an exact phrase. To exit search mode, just delete the term or click the clear icon. Below the search bar, you'll see your full list of conversations. These are sorted by most recent activity and remain in the list even after you restart the app. You can close a conversation by hovering over it and clicking the X, or close all chats from the Options menu. Closed conversations can be reopened either by searching for them or by selecting Show Closed Chats. If a user has been deleted from the system, their chat will remain, but it will be marked as deleted. You'll still be able to read the history, but won't be able to send new messages. Section 6. Messages View. On the right side of the window, you'll see the active conversation. When you first open it, the last 20 messages will load, unless there are unread messages, in which case the view will scroll to the first unread one. Typing indicators let you know when the other person is typing. In group chats, you'll see a message that says how many participants are typing at once. If new messages arrive while you're scrolling through older ones, a button will appear in the lower corner, letting you jump back down to the latest message. You can also react to messages. Hover over the emoji icon next to any message to reveal the emojis, then click the emoji to add an emoji to that message. Notifications are sent to let the other person know that you reacted. Some group chats also support threads by right-clicking on the message within the chat and selecting threads. This allows you to create a side conversation linked to a specific message. Only the thread creator or a group admin can rename or delete a thread, and once deleted, it cannot be recovered. Section 7. Sending messages and files and message options. At the bottom of the window is the message input field. Press Enter to send your message. If you want to start a new line without sending, press Shift and Enter together. The maximum message length is 10,000 characters. You can attach files by clicking the folder icon next to the input box, or by dragging files directly from your computer. Up to 5 files can be attached at once. You can also paste images from your clipboard into the chat. Before sending, thumbnails of the files will appear, and you can remove any you don't want to include. Emojis can be added by clicking the emoji icon. A selector will open where you can browse or choose from your recently used emojis. You can also record and send voice messages. Click the microphone icon to start recording. You'll see controls to stop, preview, discard, or send the recording. The maximum recording time is 2 minutes, and once sent, the message will appear with a play button and a waveform so you can skip forward or backward. Each message in a conversation has a set of delivery indicators. A single check mark means the message was sent to the server. A double check means it was delivered. A filled double check means it was read. If you see failed, the message did not go through. Right-clicking a message also gives you more options. You can reply to it, forward it, pin it, or view message info. You can also edit or delete your own messages. Deleting gives you the choice to remove it for yourself or for everyone in the conversation. Section 8. Best Practices. Before wrapping up this video, here are a few best practices. Use clear and descriptive group names so participants always know the purpose of the conversation. Mention people directly with the @ symbol when you need their attention, even in muted group chats. Keep your conversation list organized by closing chats you no longer need and reopening them only when required. Use search to quickly find past messages or files instead of scrolling through long conversations. This concludes our training on the chat module in the CommunicatorGO desktop application. You've learned how to start conversations, create groups, send messages, share files, use mentions, and search your chat history. You also saw how to manage conversations, react to messages, and even use threads for side discussions. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.